2025 Human Rights Watch report has unveiled a troubling picture of escalating violence, extrajudicial killing, systematic discrimination and suppression in the occupied Kashmir and across India under Narendra Modi's Hindu nationalist Bharatiya Janata Party government. The report mentioned that the journalists in Kashmir face increasingly hostile environment with the threats ranging from fabricated criminal cases and restrictions on the movement to physical assaults. Senior APH leader Agha Sayyid Hassan Al-Musfi Al-Safwi, addressing a meeting of the religious scholars, urged unity to counter divisive forces in the occupied territory. The meeting pledged to reject hatred and uphold Islamic brotherhood in the face of the elements seeking to destabilize the communal harmony. An Indian Army soldier was killed during a violent cordon and search operation in the Sopore town today. The operation, which was launched by the Indian troops on Sunday, continued into its second day. An Indian Army man committed suicide by shooting himself with his service rifle at the Ragini post in the Kupwara district. Indian Supreme Court has directed Registrar Generals of Occupied Kashmir and Delhi High Courts to ensure proper video conferencing facilities for the ongoing trial of the JKLF chairman Mohammad Yasin Malik. India's animal protection laws, particularly Rajasthan Camel Act of 2025, have inadvertently worsened the plight of the very animals they were meant to protect. The law, which was intended to safeguard the camels in Rajasthan, has led to drastic 50% decline in the camel population over the past decade. India's reputation as one of the most dangerous countries for journalists has been underscored by the recent brutal murder of Mukesh Chandrakar, a well-known media figure from Chhattisgarh, whose body was discovered in a septic tank. Chandrakar, known for exposing corruption in his YouTube-based reporting, is the latest victim in a growing trend of the fatal repercussions faced by the whistleblowing journalist in India.